Watch my videos, you probably noticed this already, but when I have no inspiration whatsoever on creating YouTube videos, I make fidget YouTube videos, and this one is different to all my other fidget videos. I'm going to be putting all my fidgets down except for my mochi because it is stuck on the roof. Yes, it is still stuck on the roof, even though no one's viewed those shorts. Why does no one like my shorts? Anyway, not that. But yeah, my mochi is stuck on the roof, and it's been stuck there for about 4 days. Yeah, I know. Crazy, isn't it? But yeah. 4. Squish, squish. Fidgets. Fidgets. I dropped one. Woo! It's gonna pick it. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. Fidgets. 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 Ow. Okay. Now I'm going to be counting them because I've got nothing else to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I just flung one. Well, I'll just count the one that I flung. 16, 17, 18, 9, 20, 21, 22. This is off of my fidget spinner, so I won't count that. Oh my gosh. 23, 24, 25, 26. This is a fidget. It is. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 2 mochis that I don't have right now. 36, 37. Then also, yeah, my pea popper broke. So now I've got like 3 pea poppers. The big pea pop thingy broke up and snapped in 2. Oh my gosh. Look. I'm having a bad day with my fidgets. Okay. Should I say 38? Because the end number was 38. Because I do have a puppet pencil case, which is not shut. Clumsy today. Right there. Satisfying. Thanks for watching this really short. That's 3 minutes. 39. It's from these or from this? Oh my gosh, it's so much lighter. Someone give me another fidget. I need to buy another fidget. So I've got 40. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look like that I've got, let's just say 40 fidgets. Oh, I forgot my pencil case wasn't shut. But I do. Or do I? Oh my gosh, you can't see me putting them back in. Let me show you. It's satisfying. I get it. Ready? They're disappearing. Come back. Now they're not. Oh my gosh. This is so satisfying. Like, oh. All the different noises. Right? Okay, so now I'm gonna name the fidgets that I don't have. This is a really weird fidget video. Fidgets moved into one. Why do I? Ow. Okay, so I don't have a zipper bracelet, a puppet bracelet, a plushie flippy octopus, or I'm not saying all the fidget colours and stuff, all the puppet colours I don't have. You can see it. Okay, and I don't have a just normal flippy octopus, you know, like the same materials as this, silicone I think it is. What else do I not have? Wow, I have a lot of fidgets. That just dawned upon me. There's only like 4 fidgets that I don't have, 4 types. But except I'm not, like I said, not counting all the puppets that I don't have. I don't really have a big, an acupressure thing, and a bike chain. No, I don't have a lot of fidgets. I got a Tangle for Christmas, and I am so happy that I got a Tangle. Like, seeing Tangles on YouTube and stuff like Five Below. I don't have a Five Below near me. I'm sorry, but I can't go to Five Below. I can't go to Five Below. But me and my mum on Friday, I'm gonna go spend some money on clothes, and I've got like a lot of pocket money. So pocket money can be used on fidgets. Yay! So we're gonna go like to Target, Kmart, Big W, H&M, Mango, Cotton On, Sports Girl. Sports Girl has got really nice clothes, but really expensive clothes. So not Sports Girl, just like yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.